Hi, I'm Charlotte and I'm in Year 10. I'm Liran and I'm in Year 9.
And I'm Sahana and I'm in Year 7.
I'm a dancer, singer, and I also act. I've been training as a dancer with the Performing Arts for the past few months, and I'm an ex-student of Step Academy. I've participated in SVS drama productions as Annie in last year's production of Annie, and as Alex in this year's Mixtape Factory.
The SVS Arts and Drama department has grown a lot since I first joined the school. This year, SVS collaborated with the Collab Company for our annual drama show, and it elevated the production to a whole new level. I was one of the production managers in the backstage crew, and it was an amazing experience, learning from Miss Liran, the founder of Collab Company, and Miss Rock about the technical details and the various backstage roles. We even completed our Trinity College of Arts certification through this production.
Every teacher in our Arts and Drama department is extremely supportive of us trying out different things. Miss Anna, our art teacher, always encourages me to develop my style of art in sketching, which is alt-style portraits.
Yes, even Miss Rock. She's always been our biggest supporter, and she was the one who initially encouraged me to pursue acting and to put myself out there, which really helped me to build my confidence.
Our drama and art lessons are something that everyone in our class looks forward to because the teachers make the lessons so engaging and so interactive.